It's a very exciting time right now at Userled because we're trying to answer one of the biggest problems of ABM today, which is how do we bring sales into the ABM motion? And many before us have tried and failed, and right now we have quite a few ideas which are, yeah, very exciting. The goal is really to make sure that they do not use yet a new tool, that it's part of their day-to-day workflows. So just receiving the right content when they need it, receiving the right insights at the contact level. So let's see what the team comes up with. I'm very excited, and it should take a few weeks, so let's see.
I think every B2B company at this point has quite aggressive BDR, SDR team. So everyone at every level is being flooded with messages constantly. So it's trying to stand out in a very crowded market, and generic messaging just isn't going to cut it. So having something personalized that's going to stand out, stop the scrolling, and so that they know it's really made for them and it's not just another generic outreach.
Yeah, so it was a really fun problem to actually work through. We decided on a Chrome extension because it would sit alongside their existing workflow. They could have LinkedIn open, they can have HubSpot open. That makes it really easy to just open up the plugin as a sign panel and use some of our exciting features, really. But that was kind of the problem as well, was deciding what features we should port over from the existing app. We have really interesting features there, but we wanted to make it really streamlined, really easy and delightful to use for sales folk.
It was very difficult for someone who wasn't already familiar with the app to create content. So when you've got marketing creating really powerful templates, which are highly personalized, sales would struggle to actually get that link and send it out to prospects. So what we thought about doing is creating a plugin that accompanies the app. So you can go on their LinkedIn page or HubSpot, Salesforce. It will auto detect who they are and automatically generate a template or microsite for you, and then you can very easily copy that link, send it off to your prospect, and that process is just so much quicker.
Having the plugin has firstly just saved so much time, being able to just pick up content on the fly that's personalized without having to ask anyone is truly an amazing time saver. Secondly, the amount of engagement and meetings booked from that has dramatically increased. Being able to send more personalized stuff to more people is always going to equal more conversions. And finally, we can see our engagement directly through the plugin as well. So being alerted when someone's engaging and being able to send a timely follow-up or give them a call right away is such a game changer.
Innovation Week was a really good way to give us a trial run to find out what were the really easy elements for us to use, what were the hard parts where we had to do a lot more thinking. And post Innovation Week, we had great feedback from that, but we really had to sit down and think, how can we make this a really intuitive, really easy to use feature for sales folk, and also to make sure that it would just work all the time. There's a lot of really intricate technical detail that we've been working really hard to make sure it works every time. And what we've come up with is the plugin, and there's a lot more exciting features on the way. But right now, I hope you guys enjoy it.